Hey guys, this is Sashwati and today we are going to see how to create LinkedIn content and model it from your favorite LinkedIn creators. So what we will do here is we will not reinvent the wheel. We will get the proven successful post from our favorite creators and make a similar post like them. So that is the N8n workflow and let's go and see how it works. So as you can see, this is N8n workflow and if we click on start or execute the workflow, this is the sheet that we'll be using for our workflow, and this is the data that we are scraping from our favorite creator. Here I'm from AI industry, so I will be using the data, the content posted by Ruben Hasid. So in this sheet I am getting all the post, all the 100 top posts from Ruben Hasid, and his URL, its URL, the stat, total reactions and total repost of his post. So if, as you can see, the workflow is working, and let's see what we can get in some time. So as you can see, the model contents is getting generated, and in the sheet it is populated also. So here in the sheet there are here in this Excel sheet there are three sheets, where in the first sheet you will be getting all the 100 top 100 post of Ruben Hasid. Then we are shortlisting some of his content which can be modeled. So here what I am doing is I am filtering it basis on the number of reposts. So if the repost is more than say 20 or 30, you can pick your own number. Then the same number of the same content will get populated in this shortlisted sheet, and accordingly from this shortlisted content, this AI system will generate this model content for your own posting. So this is the whole process, and let's dig in and see how it works. For the time crunch purpose, I won't be able to show the entire process, but you will get the workflow in the description box. You can just import it in your N8n and get going. Let's go. So I'll explain module by module. This is Apify. If you are not aware with Apify, this is a amazing data scraping source where you can scrape some data. And for this video purpose, I am scraping the top 100 post of Ruben Hasid. So I'll be using Apify. Let's go and check what actor to use here. This is the actor I'm using. This is the actor where you can just post the link of the person, and if you click on start, it will start scraping the top 100 posts. Top I mean the recent 100 posts of the same creator, and you will be able to get a download of that as well. However, for this purpose we won't download the data, but we will integrate it in our N8n workflow. As you can see, top 100 posts are downloaded here. Top 100 posts are shown here. You can also make an export of this in CNV or any format you like. So this is the workflow that we'll be using. Let me go step by step. What you are doing here, we are scraping the data of our favorite creator posts here. And from this data, first we are populating this in your sheet, first sheet, which is the first sheet where we are populating 100 posts of Ruben Hasid. Then we are filtering the data basis on reposts greater than 10. If the number of reposts for this particular post is greater than 10, we'll be populating the data in the second sheet, which is shortlisted sheet. And lastly, using the GPT model, we'll be recreating the most popular content or most repost content data for our own posting purpose. So this is the whole workflow. Now we'll be scraping using Apify. If you are not familiar with Apify, this is an excellent scraping website where you can scrape almost anything. So we'll be using this LinkedIn profile post scraper. We'll just paste the link of the profile here. For this video purpose, I'll be scraping data from Ruben Hasid post. He is an amazing AI creator and one of the most early creator in this industry. So what you can do is just copy the link, paste here. This is not important. For free account, I think you can only scrape 100 posts at a time. I also have a free account and you get a $5 credit if you start. This is actually running and you will be getting 100 posts in no time. You can also export the data if you want. Okay, you can export the data in CSV format or Excel format, whatever format you like. However, for this video purpose, we won't be downloading the data, but we'll be scraping the data and populating the required data in our sheets. So as I told you, I won't be building the entire workflow from scratch because it will take a lot of time. You can get the workflow in JSON format in the description box. So first, you need to connect your Apify account to N8n here, and you need to paste a API key here. You can get the Apify key. Just create a free Apify account, and you can get your Apify key in this section. Just copy that, and you can paste it here. That's it. It's that simple, not complicated at all. Once this is done, once your account details is fetched in this account, you will get all the actor details that has been run in your account. So once you run your actor, this particular LinkedIn profile post actor, you will be getting all these options here, and you can choose it. Like from my account, this actors has been run before. So, but I'll be choosing this because we only need this actor to run. That's it. So as you can see, we are getting the actor details. The actor has been successfully run and we are getting the details. Next, we'll add the node get dataset items from Apify only. So what it will do is from the last run actor, it will get the dataset items. So this module is get dataset items from the same Apify account. As you've already run the actor, we'll be getting the dataset items from this actor, and same will be populated in this sheet of Excel. This is the first sheet where all the data points is getting populated. So after scraping the data, I need to add this Google Sheet account. And here I am selecting append row or append or update row in a sheet. So what it will do is it will get all the data from Apify and it will populate it in different sheets. So as I told you, first all 100 posts from Ruben Hasid will be populated in the first sheet. That as we do the filtering of more than 10 reposts, it will get populated in the second sheet, name shortlisted. And lastly, the model content which we will write using ChatGPT model will be populated in the model content sheet. So this is the entire workflow. Some basic settings to be done. First, you need to connect your Google Sheet account. Here the only thing you need to do is pick the name of the file and the name of the sheet. That's it. So the name of the file for this case is created data and the sheet name is sheet 1. That's it. And we'll pick it. As we connect our Google account, we will be getting all the information here. You can select from the drop down. It will automatically show all the files that is present for and connected to our account. So you just select it and manually map all the columns that you want to populate from the Apify data. So from this Apify data, as you can see, the name of the content creator is populated, the first name and last name is populated, the headline, username, profile, URL, everything is populated. However, I am only fetching 8 column details here, which is first name, last name, posting date, number of reposts, number of comments, total reactions, text, the caption or text of the post, and finally the URL. So I have only created this columns. I have only created this 8 columns in my sheet. So what you can do is you can, yeah, the first thing to select is column to match on. So the first column you want to populate, you need to match the name of the column which is coming from the Apify data and in your Excel sheet. So as you can see in my Apify data, the name of the author was, it was, yes, the name of the author first name. The field name was author first name. I have done the similar naming in my sheet and I have matched the column as author slash first underscore name. And I have manually mapped this fields from Apify, which you can do like this. So the first name is Ruben and the last name is Hasid. So what you can do is drag this first name field in this box. If you execute the step, you'll be able to see this data will get repopulated from the Apify data. This node executed successfully. You can see the message. So before going to the second sheet, you need to create a filtering here. I have created a filtering where it says that number of reposts should be more than 10. You can make it 20, 30, whatever you want. Here also from the given field, I have selected the repost filter. You can select any other filter like number of comments more than 30, 50, anything like that, or number of reaction more than 50. So again, the same process, you need to drag the field. Like I am dragging the field here right now. So this is the only thing you need to do in this filtering module. After this, in this Excel sheet, same process. Once you create your account, it will automatically be shown in this drop down. You can just select it, and then again the name of the file and the name of the sheet needs to be connected. And in the similar process as I told you in the last module, you need to drag the field in this given box so that it will get populated here. In this process, again, the shortlisted content which has more than 10 reposts, as you can see, the number of reposts is 35, and then the second one is 109. So it's more than 10. You can also hide the number as far as you want. So see, this is the number of reposts that is getting populated here from my Apify data. This is the second sheet where the second shortlisted content is getting populated. The shortlisted sheet is done. Then you can just instruct, you can add this basic LLM chain and add your OpenAI chat model. You can also add Anthropic or any other AI Gemini model you use. I have used ChatGPT 4o model and instructed. I have given a simple prompt. You can use a different prompt you want. I have given a simple prompt that recreate the post and write it in my own language. That's it. So what it will do is it will pick the shortlisted sheet. It will go to the shortlisted sheet and it will recreate the content in your own language. You can also add your point of view in this prompt if you want. So it will recreate the content and populate it later at the end of the workflow. It will populate it in this model content sheet. So I have just used this 4o model and given the prompt. If you execute the step, it will take some time and it will populate it in this third sheet. The node is successfully executed. As you can see, this is the entire workflow. I hope you understood well. Hey guys, so I hope this was helpful and I hope you understood the whole process, how to generate a content on automation and model the best content from your favorite creators. Just subscribe, like and comment what you think about this video. If you want the workflow, just go to the description and you can export it in your own N8n dashboard. So thank you and stay tuned.